A living trust is a legal document created during a person's lifetime where a designated person, called a trustee, is given responsibility for managing that person's assets for the benefit of the eventual beneficiaries. This can include financial assets, investments, as well as real estate and other properties. The person creating the trust can also be the trustee managing their assets while they are still alive. Why is this important? Here's why setting up a living trust might be a crucial step. 1. Avoid probate. It helps to avoid the probate process, which is the legal process that can be time-consuming and expensive where a will is validated. 2. Privacy. Unlike wills, which become public record once they enter the probate process, a living trust operates in privacy, keeping the details of your assets confidential. 3. Flexibility. A living trust can be revocable, meaning it can be changed or canceled by the person who created it at any time while they are still alive. So how do I determine if I need one? You might consider setting up a living trust if 1. You have substantial assets or complicated financial or family situations. 2. You want to ensure a smoother transition of asset management before and after your death, minimizing potential disputes among heirs. 3. You wish to maintain privacy about your estate and avoid the probate process. Here's a classic example of an elderly couple with significant assets. Let's picture an elderly couple, John and Lisa, who have amassed considerable assets over their lifetime, including real estate properties, investments, and savings. They have children and grandchildren whom they want to pass their assets to without the public scrutiny that comes with probate. John and Lisa create a living trust, appointing themselves as the trustees to maintain control over their assets while they are still alive. In the trust document, they detail how the assets should be divided among their children and grandchildren after they pass away. As they age, they update the trust to accommodate the changing needs and circumstances of their family, ensuring that their wishes will be honored in a streamlined manner, with the minimum of legal complications and delays. Creating a living trust can offer a private, flexible, and efficient way to manage and transfer your assets during your lifetime and after your death. It can be a proactive approach to secure your assets and ensure that they are distributed according to your wishes, with reduced legal hassles. If you have a substantial estate, or specific wishes about how and to whom your assets should be distributed, setting up a living trust with the help of a legal expert might be a wise choice.